Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing fine with your friends and families. And I hope you all missed me because I didn't take your class yesterday. Am I right? Did you guys miss me? How much? Okay, all right. I missed you guys too, by the way. Okay. So without wasting a single minute, let's start our class. I hope you all have your worksheet packs in your hands. Can you all show me your worksheet packs? Dua, Abdullah, Alpi, Hassan, everybody whose cameras are not open, kindly open your cameras so that I can see your worksheet packs in your hands. Kabir, open your camera. Dua, Kabir, Hassan, I cannot see you guys. Open your cameras and show me your worksheet packs. Yes, Kabir, open your camera, dear. Yes, very nice. Okay, everybody. So take out that page which we were doing in our last class, the present simple tense. Take out that page. Today we will complete our present simple tense, and from tomorrow onwards we'll move forward to the past simple tenses. Okay, today is the last day of present simple tense. If still there is any confusion regarding present simple tense or anything which you don't understand yet, you can ask me today, because day after tomorrow I'm going to take a quiz of you of present simple tense. Okay, so still if you have any problem regarding to present simple tense, you can ask me. Today we are going to do the last uh, exercise of present simple. Everybody open your cameras whose cameras are not open. Dua, open your camera. Kinza, Kabir, everybody open your cameras. Okay, have you all taken out that page which we were doing in our last class? Yes, come on, exercise number 2. We have already done 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I told you one important thing, which is when we use does in our sentence, so after that we won't add s or es at the end of the word. You remember this thing? Do you remember this point? Yes, Anaya, you want to ask anything? Yes, Anaya.
मिस आपने नंबर 2 का जो आपने करवाया था 1 2 3 वो मैंने नहीं किया.
अच्छा, all right. Okay, see number 1. Who dash Sally dash in Spain? The number 1, who dash Sally dash in Spain? What will come in dash number 1? What will come in dash number 1? Who will tell me that? Yes, Hassan?
टीचर does.
Exactly. Who does Sally dash in Spain? Visits or visit?
Visit.
Only visit. Who does Sally visit in Spain? Because we have already used does in our sentence, so we will only write the word itself. We don't add s or es at the end of the word. Okay. Now let's come to the answer. She dash her aunt and uncle. What will come here? Visit or visits?
Visits.
Exactly. She visits her aunt and uncle. Okay, let's come to number 2. Dash Tom dash to school by bus. Who will tell me the answer of this? I'm sorry, there was an internet issue. Can you all hear me now? If you all can hear me,
Yes.
clap hands. Okay, let's move forward. Come to number 2. Dash Tom dash to school by bus. What will come here? Yes, Aris, do you want to give it a try? Aris, I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Aris.
Does.
Yes, does Tom dash to school by bus? Goes to school or go to school?
Go.
Yes. Why we use go here instead of goes? Can you tell me, Aris, why we use go here instead of goes?
No.
Can you tell me that? Aris, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Aris, I am asking you something. Does Tom go to school by bus? Why don't we write like this? Does Tom goes to school by bus? Why don't we use goes here? Because we have already used does here, Aris. Come on, number 3. What dash she dash on TV? What does she watch on TV? The answer will be she watches the news, but she does not watch soap operas. Okay? Why we don't use does not watches? Because the word does is already here. Okay? Now let's come to number 4. Dash they dash swimming. Okay, what will come here? Does or do? Do will come here because I have already told you that there are 2 groups of pronoun. In a first group, which members live? I, you, we, they. And we use do with the member of first group of pronouns. So this sentence will go like, do they like swimming? And the answer will be yes, they do, but they does not नहीं आएगा. It will, we will write, yes, they do not like, but they do not like running. All right? Clear? Okay, now come on number 5. When dash you dash to a football match? When do you go to a football match? Why we didn't use does over here? हमने यहाँ पे does क्यों use नहीं किया? Because the pronoun is written over here is you, and with you we always use do. We don't use does because you is a second person singular. So we will write, when do you go to a football match? I dash to a football match on Sunday. अब यहाँ पे हम goes लिखेंगे या go लिखेंगे? Zayan, I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Zayan.
Yes, teacher.
What
Yes.
is up here? I goes to a football match on Sundays, or I go to a football match on Sundays?
Go.
Why we write go here?
Because we go. Goes.
Why we write go here, Zayan? I am asking you this. I told you in the last class, before giving any answer, try to know the reason behind it. Why we use go here instead of goes? Because I is written over here and I comes in the first group of pronouns. Remember? We don't use S words with I, you, we and they. Remember? आई के साथ हम वर्ब की फॉर्म में एस या ईएस ऐड नहीं करते. आई गो टू स्कूल ही होगा, आई गोस टू नहीं होगा, आई गो टू ही होगा. ठीक है? क्लियर? नाउ इट्स डन. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. कम ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज एवरीवन. यस दानियाल.
हाँ टीचर I don't. टीचर मैंने 3 और 4 नहीं लिखा.
दानियाल, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग? आपको समझ में आ गया है पूरा लेक्चर?
मैं आ गया, लेकिन 3 और 4 मैंने नहीं लिखे.
आपको लेक्चर समझ में आ गया तो यू आर एबल टू राइट इट बाय योरसेल्फ टू. आप खुद से भी लिख सकते हैं. सी नंबर 3, व्हाट डज डैश शी डैश ऑन टीवी? क्या आएगा फर्स्ट डैश में? टू आएगा या डज आएगा?
डज.
यस, राइट, डज. व्हाट डज शी वॉच आएगा या वॉचेस आएगा? फर्स्ट नो, वॉच आएगा बिकॉज हम ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे डज यूज कर चुके हैं और डज के साथ जब भी कोई वर्ब आता है तो फिर उसमें एस या ईएस ऐड नहीं होता. ओके? Without wasting any time, come on next page. Present simple heading was there. Show me your worksheet. Which page you guys have taken out? Which worksheet page you have to, no, not, yes, the worksheet page which is Anaya showing, take out that worksheet page.
Anaya.
Yes, exactly. Yes, Aris. Yes, right. Abdullah Alvi, where is your worksheet?
So this one,
Yes, Kisa.
Miss page number.
Page number is not mentioned.
Page number.
Kisa, page number is not mentioned over there. See which page everybody is showing. Take out that page. Present simple is written on the top.
Okay, this one. Miss, this one.
Yes, Kisa, this one.
Thank you, Miss.
Welcome. All right, now what we have to do here, positives, negatives and question. Positive sentences are those जिसके अंदर not का word use नहीं हो रहा होता. Positive sentences are those जिसके अंदर yes, positive sentences are those sentences जिसके अंदर no, not, do not इस type के words use नहीं हो रहे होते. Negative sentences are those sentences जिसके अंदर not का word use होता है. All right, and question sentences are interrogative sentence जिसके अंदर question you पूछा जा रहा होता है या जिसके end में question mark होता है. Now, अब यहाँ पे हमें correct sentence की mistakes को करेक्ट करना है. मतलब हमें देखना है कि सेंटेंस किस तरह लिखा हुआ है, उसके अंदर अगर कोई मिस्टेक है तो हमें उस मिस्टेक को ठीक. यस, ही गो टू बेड वेरी अर्ली. अब यहाँ पे मिस्टेक थी, ही के साथ हम गो तो यूज नहीं कर सकते. वी हैव टू ऐड एस और ई एस एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ब. तो देखें उन्होंने गो को कट करके ऊपर गोज लिखा है. ऑल राइट,